Hello everyone, so welcome to English class with teacher again. So, how are you everyone today? Okay, how do you feel? I hope that everyone feel right and great for your holiday. The teacher the same you too, and teacher glad to meet you in this video. So, uh, now let's move to our new lesson. Actually, a today teacher will teach you the lesson that relate with our grammar a little bit because in teacher video teacher teach you the present simple, but teacher teach you what's that? Do you know? Positive sentence, right? So can anyone tell me what is the positive form? Positive form of present simple? Yes, okay. We have subject plus verb or verb we add s or es if we use with present singular, right? And then plus complement. But today, teacher will teach you a negative sentence. Alright, so teacher just write the sign like this. So I hope that everyone know negative sentence. Okay, so negative sentence is the form is like this: subject, okay, subject, okay, plus, okay, do or does, and then not, like this. Okay, do not or does not plus verb, okay, and complement. Okay, so this is the form of a negative. Okay, um, you know this already, right? Okay, teacher hope everyone know this. And actually, negative we use do or does in present simple. But if verb to be is different, okay, verb to be is different, okay. But a present simple we use do or does plus not. Yes, because of negative sentence. That's why we add not to be negative. Okay, and then plus verb and then plus complement. Now, teacher give you example. For example, teacher said, I don't teach English on Sunday. Okay, so I and then or teacher can say I do not, like this. I do not teach English, alright, English on Sunday. Why? Why teacher don't teach on Sunday, everyone? Yes, why? Yes, because Sunday is teacher holiday, right? Okay. Okay, thank you. So now one more. For example, you, like you do not what? You do not get up at 7 o'clock on Monday. Why? Oh. Okay. You do not get up at 7 o'clock on Monday. Why? Why you don't get up at 7 o'clock on Monday? You know, on Monday is holiday or it's a school day? Yes, Monday is school day. That's why everyone do not get up at 7 o'clock. If you get up at 7 o'clock, you will miss the school, right? Okay, good. So you get up at 6:30 or 6 o'clock, right? So you ready to go to school. Okay, thank you. So one more. Now, teacher use she. We use with what? Do or does, everyone? Yes, we use with does. Okay, she does not. Okay, she does not finish her homework. Okay, She does not finish her homework. Why we use does? Why we use does? Okay. Why finish here don't have es and what? Why? Okay, because she is third person singular. That's why we use does. Okay, we use does because here actually do like this. So we have to add es and then not. So the verb finish is okay. Just put it's the same. Just normal. Just like teach, like get, no s, because do we add s already here. Understand? Good. Okay. Now one more. Teacher would like to show you the example. I'm sorry. He does not. I'm sorry. He does not. He does not play football. He does not play football on Tuesday. All right. Okay. So he does not play football on Tuesday. Okay. Teacher would like to show you that again because teacher had to explain you. I hope that everyone understand this. Okay. He does. Okay. And then play, no s, but does here. Do we add es, okay? Because he is what we want. He is what? Yeah, third person singular. That's why we use es with the verb do, okay? And then not become negative sentence, okay? One more. Okay, they. they does not or they do not. The one. They does not or they do not. Look, they is third person singular or third person plural? The same she, he? Yes, the same, but they is plural, okay? Not a singular like he or she. That is a one person, that's why we use a s or es with the verb third person singular. But they, that one is we call that a third person also, but it's plural, so we do not add s or es to the verb that following the subject. So we use at the same like I, you also. Okay. So they do not. They do not what? They do not work. They do not work on Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Okay. They do not work on Saturday and Sunday. Why they don't work? Okay, because that their holiday. Okay. Okay. So thank you. And then teacher will let everyone take note. Please note this one. Okay. Please take note this one. All right. So why teacher let you take note? Actually, all of this like I do not. See, read again. I do not teach English on Sunday. Okay. You do not get up at 7 o'clock on Monday. Okay. She does not finish her homework. He does not play football on Tuesday. Okay. They do not work on Saturday and Sunday. Okay. You look at this sentence and see. Do teachers use short sentence or full sentence? Shortcut or full sentence, everyone? Yes, no shortcut at all this one. Okay, that's why teacher let everyone take note this. Okay, so here I do not. So it's gonna be so like for example, do not. What gonna be? We can put like done like this. Okay, so do not. Can done. Okay, like for example, I do not become I done. Okay, you got it? Yes. Okay. One more. Does not. So become short form. It doesn't. Like this. Okay. You got it? So does not, when teacher make a short one, become doesn't. So like for example, she does not She does not, so become she doesn't. You got it? Okay, like this. Okay. So, do not, when teacher make it short, don't. So like I do not become I don't. Okay, you got it? Okay, one more is does not, when teacher make it short, become doesn't, right? Okay, and like for example, she does not, so you can make she doesn't. So also like this one, like teacher use I do not, so it's gonna be, when teacher make it short, it's gonna be I don't teach English on Sunday. You do not get up at 7 o'clock on Monday, so become you don't get up on, sorry, you don't get up at 7 o'clock on Monday. Okay. She does not finish her homework, so it's gonna be, you make it short, it's gonna be she doesn't, right? She doesn't finish her homework. Okay. One more. He does not play football on Tuesday, become he doesn't, right? He doesn't play football on Tuesday. One more, the last one, everyone. They do not work on Saturday and Sunday, become they don't. They don't work on Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone for you enjoy with me, and I hope that everyone understand this lesson. Please copy this lesson into your notebook. Please remember that the form of the negative sentence is like this: subject plus do or does plus not plus verb and complement. Also this example, and take note also. Thank you everyone for this, and I hope that everyone finds at home. Okay, please stay safe. Thank you. Goodbye.